Alright, here we go. This is our number 4, right? 4th case of 2010-2011 National Treasures. We did like over 20 cases last year. I don't know if we'll be able to do that this year unless the market calms down on the price of cases. But, oh, it's upside down again. The last case we had a box upside down. Box is upside down again. We got box 83. We got box 91. 32. And 86. We start with 86. Good luck, everybody. I hope I pull everyone to do something nice. I know it can't happen, but I really hope I do. Here's box number 1. Thank you again, everybody, that joined. Good luck. No, I don't remember what box number it was. It was the very first box of that case. Me and B split that case. The only reason I split it was because I was fucking belligerent. You called me on the phone and was like, let's fucking do it, let's just do it. I was like, oh yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Okay. Alright, here we go. Box 1. We'll go from back to front, because that's how you guys like to do it. I'm not the biggest fan. How many patches we got? One? Oh, we only got one patch card. Alright. We got Danny Shays base for the Nuggets. Danny Shays. $64.99. Chris Paul for the Hornets. 16/99. And an All-NBA Chris Mullin for the Warriors. Yeah, that's me, baby. Give me my freaking flat top mojo right there. I'm gonna have Mike from the BB Card Co. sign that because he got the strongest freaking flat top around town. Alright, here we go. Our first hit is a colossal Kevin Durant, numbered 43/99 for the Thunder. KD. This camera's looking funny. There we go. Nice. Whoop. Our second hit is for the Trailblazers of Luke Babbitt, NBA Gear Triple Jersey, 86/99. We got another colossal. We get a lot of this guy, Landry Fields, 89/99. I'm glad they finally decided to make him a top rookie in their products. He wasn't for the longest time, but get RPAs of Landry and stuff like that. 89/99 Landry for the Knicks. And Pau Gasol for the Lakers, 72/99 jersey. So that's 4 memorabilia. Hopefully we get 4 autographs. Good luck. Nope, we did not. Number to 99, Earl Monroe, All-NBA jersey. It's our 5th jersey card. Second hit for the Knicks. Exactly, Earl of Pearl. This better be a freaking autograph. It is for the Milwaukee Bucks, number to 99 autograph of Sidney Moncrief. Sidney Moncrief for the Bucks. That's Jayhawk. He's got the Bucks. Then for the Warriors, that's me. Jersey auto of I think this is the 3rd time we pulled this one. Monte Ellis jersey auto, 26/99. I think we got 2 in one case earlier. Yeah, I think this is the 3rd time in 4 cases we got him. We had one case where we had 2 of him. And the last one's going to be a patch, the only patch in the case, so I'm going to slow roll it. It's a colossal. I hope it's autographed. It should be. Good luck. Johnny Case, that's John Wall, dude. Is it a logo, man? Is that a logo, man? Oh my god, dude. No way, Johnny Case. No way, dude. There's no way. If you don't hook me up with one of those Kobe Bryant cards, I swear, oh my 1 of 3. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Seriously, like seriously, holy shit. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh. Holy frig, that is numbered 1 of 3. Numbered 1 out of 3. There's 3 of those. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, dude. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. It doesn't get any bigger, dude. Freaking fire hand full effect, baby. Oh, it's sick.